In recent weeks, 4 government ministries have issued correction directions under POFMA to address false statements of fact made by various parties about issues of fundamental importance to Singaporeans. The falsehoods allege that the government mismanaged public funds, abused police powers, and discriminated against Singapore's citizens in favor of foreigners. Failing to deal decisively with such falsehoods will erode and even undermine public trust in our institutions, with serious consequences for our democracy. The government, and indeed members of this House, have a duty to ensure that our citizens are not misled or misinformed by such falsehoods. And that is precisely why POFMA was enacted. In all of the POFMA cases so far, correction directions have been issued. These directions require that the facts be placed alongside the original posts so that Singaporeans can read both versions and draw their own conclusions. Wouldn't the member agree that the best way to maintain public trust in government and our institutions is to juxtapose the truth with the falsehood and allow our citizens to decide what the facts are? And wouldn't the member also agree that the law should apply even if those who have put out the falsehoods thus far happen to have political affiliations? Furthermore, POFMA requires that the minister provide the basis in accordance with existing laws for her or his determination that a statement is a falsehood. In the recent cases, the falsehoods and the reasons for using POFMA were made clear in the clarifications that were issued by the respective ministries. If the recipient of the POFMA direction disputes the facts, quick and inexpensive recourse to the courts is available. These provisions ensure transparency and accountability in the POFMA process. Finally, the nominated member also asked if there are plans to create a central listing of POFMA directions. All government corrections issued under POFMA are already compiled in a section of the government's fact-checking website, Factually. In addition, POFMA Office website has a list of the press releases issued together with the POFMA directions.